Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, we do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us on this journey for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we looked at ticker symbol MMTLP, and we also introduced a new stock to the channel, ticker symbol SMMT. So please refer back to the previous video for an important update on both stocks. In today's video we're going to be looking at MMTLP again with an important update with regard to what's happening in the oil industry, and also we're looking at prediction, so stay tuned for that. And we're also going to be looking at a review of the weekly watch list. So before we get started, let's have a quick look at what's happening in the markets today. So at time of editing, quick headline here from Bloomberg, we can see that stocks are undaunted by the hawkish drumbeat before Powell. So in terms of the markets, the US central bankers are pushing for more interest rate hikes. However, let's have a look at what happened in the market. So if we have a look at the latest data here from Reuters, we can see the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up close to 1% at 0.85%. The Nasdaq Composite Index was also up 1.54%, and the S&P 500 was up in excess of 1.26%. So a positive reaction here from the market. So, and let's just finish off by having a look at the heat map. So I think it has been quite rare to see this, but the good news here, we can see almost a clean sweep of green across all the key sectors, including technology, communication, energy, real estate, industrials, etc. So a good all-round day here in the stock market. So let's start by having a look at the chart for ticker symbol MMTLP. We can see over the previous few days the stock has come down quite significantly from previous price of around about $1.60. We can see, however, today there was a little bit of a recovery, up in excess of 3.85% and currently trading at $1.35. So with regard to sale of assets, if you remember one of the statements from George recently in terms of the presentation, one of the things he said that timing could not be better. So I'm going to share with you a headline here from the oil and gas industry in terms of this potential timing, and we can see a headline here, August 25th, 2022. Oil and gas industry is set for a record $1.4 trillion cash flow in 2022. So we are in second half of 2022 and going forward, very, very strong and positive signs for the oil and gas sector. We can see also what Deloitte is saying is that exploration and production firms are set to break cash flow records this year. Capital discipline and higher oil and gas prices are also the main reasons behind the rise in cash flow. The US shale industry will also potentially benefit and become debt-free by early 2024 if prices stay strong. So a very positive sign here in terms of sale of assets. Oil and gas companies are certainly cash rich going into the second half of 2022. In the previous video we were looking at S1 approval in terms of calendar days or business days, so please refer back to the previous video for confirmation of how it's calculated. One thing I'd like to focus on right now is when do you think the SEC will finish reviewing the S1 and potentially get approval? So this is a question that I would like potentially people to respond to with regard to the comments. I'm also going to make a prediction for this myself. So my prediction for this is I'm going to say we're going to get approval by Tuesday the 30th of August 2022 next week. What I'd now like to do is finish off by sharing with you a sample of 6 stocks that we called out in our weekly watch list prior to trading on the Monday. So amongst other stocks, this is just 6 other stocks we called out. This is a list that is shared exclusively with the Discord members prior to trading on the Monday. So first of all, we called out ticker symbol VLCN. Then we called out AGLE, AXSM, TAYD, BILL, and also HSDT. So let's have a quick review in terms of seeing how these have done so far from Monday this week. First stock, ticker symbol VLCN, also known as Vulcan Incorporated. We can see today it was up at exceptionally good 15.57%, currently trading at $2.82. But the other good news is so from Monday's dip, the stock is also up quite a healthy 45%. So congratulations to everybody who did well in ticker symbol VLCN. So the other stock we called out was AGLE, Unfortunately, this was not a good call, so not all calls are successful, and this one so far is trending downwards. But let's move on to the next one, ticker symbol AXSM. So we can see here, again, good news over the previous 5 days. This is doing exceptionally well, currently up 34.4%. So a great call there. The other stock that we called out was ticker symbol TAYD, and we can see right now it's trading a little bit sideways, currently up around about 1% on the week, but with potential to get 4 or 5% returns with the dips. So we also called out ticker symbol BILL, also known as Bill.com Holdings Incorporated, and we can see from market open on Monday, currently at time of editing, the stock is up close to 9%. And the other one that we're going to share with you here is ticker symbol HSDT, also known as Helios Medical Technologies Incorporated. And the good news here, this is also up in excess of 15% on the previous 5 days. So congratulations to everybody who got into this one. And finally, if you would like to get advanced notification of our weekly watch list prior to trading on the Monday, and also join us on our exclusive $1 Million Challenge, you can join the Discord for little as $9 a month. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.